Hi, I actually wanted to say this to the internet. That way, whoever posted that one video that's called 5 Pets That Save Their Owners' Lives, well, they should add another one to that one, because it saved my grandpa's life. She saved my grandpa's life, and it's a service dog. The service dog actually bit like this much of the arm off, literally. That much, the whole entire arm right there. And had to get sent to the hospital. The cops just looked at a rabies tag and then walked away. Seriously. Should they have added that? That happened this year. And plus the video was made last year. So,
That's why.
that's why. And they should have really put that on there. And plus, because of that, she saves my grandpa's life almost every day by alerting his blood sugar. And that means a lot to me.
Hi. I don't really have a story about my dog saving my life, except we've saved his life like a million times. He's been bit by a water moccasin. His name is Olaf, by the way.
And mine's is Greta.
So, and he was also I really don't want to be on the web.
One person.
So, and and the dog, Olaf, or whatever, yeah, Olaf, he also went across a gigantic snapping turtle, 1 foot, over like a foot tall, a foot wide, and a foot tall, and a foot wide, both ways. With a snapping turtle too. And he's also went up against just a garter snake, which isn't that big of a deal. And he also... That's about it.
Okay, just keep your face how it is. Directly right there. Good.
And so that's about... That's about all Olaf did. But there's also another dog, 3-legged, named Ella, which is, she's been almost dragged off by a coyote twice. She only has 3 legs because she got hit.
Coyote is what you meant.
Coyote.
Coyote.
Same thing. And also, about those 2 things. Well, and she also, has 3 legs because she was hit by a car when her other 3 brothers ran off, never to be seen again. So, that's about it with our dogs. Oh, one more thing. And our dog, Inigo, got shot by a bullet, like probably a shotgun, but he had surgery where he was shot, and his brother ran off. His brother, Fezzik, ran off when that happened, and he's never to be seen again. That's all good I have.
And that was the end of our video. We wanted to show you a quick dog face really quickly. Here's a cute doggy face.
You guys want mac and cheese?
No thanks.